Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and permissions. Put earbuds in pairing mode and pair them with your phone. Once connected, open the Google app and grant microphone and notification access. Make sure Assistant is enabled in the app settings and voice match is set up if desired. Once done, assign the earbuds as default audio device in Bluetooth settings so media and voice route through them. This gets you into the actionable flow immediately without wasting time on trivial checks. Next, you enable hands-free control so Google Assistant responds through the earbuds. In the Google app, enable voice activation and test Hey Google with earbuds in. Make sure sensitivity is appropriate. Then open the Earbud Companion app to map gestures, single tap, hold, or swipe for Assistant. Adjust audio routing settings so Assistant answers calls and reads notifications through the earbuds. If an app asks for notification access, grant it so Assistant can announce messages and calendar alerts. Finish by running 3 tests. Say the wake phrase, ask a quick command like "What's the weather?" and try a longer request such as sending a text. You'll notice latency or misfires. Make small adjustments to sensitivity and gesture timing in the companion app. If things go wrong, restart the earbuds, repair them, and confirm the Google app has microphone and notification permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: clear Bluetooth cache on Android or reboot the phone to resolve persistent pairing or audio routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.